Hi everyone, Agnes here, and today I'm going to do a little self-love reading and exercise with you for those that would like to continue on the journey of improving your self-love and self-worth so that you may have more wonderful relationships with those around you. Now, this is from the Self-Love Workbook from Shana Ali. Now, it is from page 89 and it's about challenging your unhelpful thinking. So, in the line below, provide an example of a negative thought that has deeply affected you. If possible, try to choose a thought that is still affecting you today. It may be helpful for you to select a thought that you may struggle to change, even after applying the formulas that you know. So, I'm going to go through a series of questions and you just have to answer yes or no to these, okay? So if you want to stop the video, get a piece of paper and do it with me, then be my guest. Now, it goes like this. Is this a self-loving statement? Yes or no? Is this thought helpful? Yes or no? Is it in my control? Yes or no? Is there someone I can seek feedback from on the accuracy of this thought? Yes or no? Am I blaming myself unnecessarily? Yes or no? Am I holding myself to unrealistic standards? Yes or no? Am I jumping to conclusions? Yes or no? Am I taking this personally when it may not be a personal matter? Yes or no? Am I making assumptions? Yes or no? Are there exceptions to this negative statement? Yes or no? Is this thought accurate? Yes or no? Do I have evidence to support this thought? Yes or no? Can I test my assumptions? Yes or no? Could there be other perspectives? Yes or no? Are there other ways to think about this? Yes or no? Would I say this to a friend? Yes or no? So, go through the little exercise. You might have some interesting insights about this thought that you feel that you have not been able to change. And just see if it gives you a little bit more insight and a bit more of a way of looking at it from different parts of the circle, because we get a bit tunnel vision when we've got something that's hurt us or really upset us or has affected us deeply. Okay, so let me know how you go down below with a little exercise if you choose to do it. Now, I have also got an interview that I did with this lovely woman some time ago. I'll put the link to that interview down below where she talks about this book in more depth. I will also put the Self-Love Success Stories playlist for you, for those that really want to listen to other people that have got their self-love into a good state or a much better state. And I will also put down below the Self-Love Meditations playlist. As you know, they are very important. And they are to be done reasonably frequently to raise up your self-love vibe so that you can radiate love out and bring towards you much more wanted things. Okay, so lots of love, everyone. See you in the next YouTube, and lots of love. I already said that. I'm saying it again.